Ndingazilibali mani ne-black sheep of the family. Kukho abantu abaphila kabuhlungu, ufumanisa uba umntu akafunwa ngabazali, akathandwa nangabazalwa nabo, kodwa ungoyena onentsebenzo nalapha kodwa angafunwa nokubona.
The black sheep of the family has felt alone or misunderstood their entire lives. They can also see dysfunction most clearly and want to heal from the past. They're curious, sensitive, and willing to self-reflect, which makes them stand out from other family members. The black sheep becomes the scapegoat of the family. Family members project their unwanted traits or the issues of the family onto the black sheep. This allows them to blame the toxic dynamics on one person and avoid looking at the true deeper issues within themselves. Sometimes the black sheep plays the peacemaker role. They're expected to step in and fix family issues, even if those issues don't directly involve them. Some black sheep know from a young age that the adults in their homes can't be trusted and begin taking care of themselves. Many black sheep are deep feelers who are curious and open. This is a stark contrast to other family members who are emotionally shut down, rigid, black and white thinkers. As the years go on, the black sheep feels the deep rage, regret, and disappointment within the family unit. They live within the chaos until they go out onto their own. The black sheep tend to be extremely interesting, engaged, creative people who have been stifled as children. Their humor, independence, and sensitive nature can allow them to thrive as adults.